Hello Emirates, welcome to the Vibes of Emirates. So today we have Miss Saida Kausar in our show. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm great ma'am. How is life going?
Yeah, it's all going on. Good, chill.
Yes. So you
Yes.
know what? So we are in a place where in each and every business we have huge market.
Exactly.
Okay. Each and every business has a huge market, isn't it?
Exactly.
And there will be a lot of pressure in our mind.
Exactly.
Okay. So what if so in this huge pressure time, if you get a chance to go back into your past and to enjoy life, like
That.
I mean your student life or whatever it is, your
Okay.
childhood.
Okay.
Okay, so what will be the best year and what will be the best time?
So that's past. It's only about the childhood, so that
Okay.
we can chill out without any pressure of life.
Huh.
That is only a part which I can say you.
Yeah, everyone
Yeah.
has that thing, right? If they
Okay.
get a chance to go back, everyone
Exactly.
goes back,
Exactly.
right, to the
Exactly.
past. And how was your schooling? And where are you
Yeah.
from?
I'm from India, part of Karnataka. I'm
Okay,
from
part of
Bangalore.
Karnataka.
Yes.
Okay, okay. How was your schooling and the student life?
Yeah, amazing. I enjoyed my schooling and
Mm-hmm.
my past of life, which I spent it there with my friends, colleagues, and my families. It's
Hmm.
amazing. Like
Okay.
education, you know well that we will
Yeah.
literally enjoy
Okay.
comparing to the
Regarding the
career.
exams and all, like full on
Yeah,
busy and enjoying, right?
enjoying with my studies. Yeah,
Yes.
it's all about a childhood, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we used to enjoy a lot.
So, what was your aim? So, basically, when I am in childhood, I had one aim. I should become this. So, depending upon the family situations, like slowly we'll change our aims, right? So, what
Exactly.
was your first aim?
So like I had not planned exactly for my aim that I want to.
You haven't planned?
No,
Okay.
I was just a chilling.
You're just
So
chilling.
yeah, I
You're not
want
worried
always to
about.
be enjoy. No,
Okay.
I always want to be enjoy
Hmm.
with my families, friends, and all
Hmm. Hmm.
cousins. So I didn't had any aim to.
Hmm.
When once I came to UAE, I
Hmm.
made my plans, aims to success
Okay.
to
So,
my
once you are
goals.
into this
Yeah,
huge world,
exactly.
then your mind start hitting. Do
Exactly.
something.
Exactly. I think I came here to do something that I want to achieve.
Yeah.
When once I completed my education, I started planning for my aims.
Hmm.
So this is what I can say.
So yeah, that's the thing, you know. So depending upon the place your mind hits.
Exactly.
Okay, so you are in a place where entire world is like concentrating.
It's true.
Okay, so
It's true.
everyone are like behind this Dubai business kind of stuff, right?
Exactly.
And when you reach here, obviously the mind hits.
Yeah.
Do something in life.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's a good thing. Like when have you entered Dubai?
It's all over like past 7 years before.
Okay, so past
Yes.
7 years. How is
Yeah.
the Dubai experience?
I got a good experience
Hmm.
here in Dubai and I achieved a lot of things over here,
Hmm.
which I worked in a group of companies with
Mm-hmm.
sectors in different kind of sectors.
Hmm.
I literally enjoyed like my past, which I told you before.
Okay, so the good thing is you're happily enjoying your life.
Enjoying,
Okay,
yeah.
that's what
It's not
even now you're
making
enjoying,
me
right?
very stressed to work or
Huh.
to just move on in a life. I'm very enjoying always
I
like.
hope everyone gets this positivity.
Sure.
Obviously, because now you're still smiling, and the way you're smiling is
Exactly.
everything. You're like simply sitting around, say peace.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
a very.
There'll be a huge stress. It's not that I can
Hmm.
say there is no stress in work, but we should make
You're
very
handling
easy.
it. You're
Yeah,
managing it.
we should make it easy for everything. I
Yeah.
can't be in stress, and I don't want to like misuse the things out.
Mm-hmm.
And so
I
we
think
should make
the
us.
young audience should hear this. You know what? Everyone are facing a lot of problems.
Exactly.
Okay, so there will be a solution for each and
Of
everything. You
course.
know,
Yeah.
but the way how we are dealing it is important.
Exactly.
What the thing you are doing now.
Exactly.
Okay, you're just thinking it and dealing it.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Exactly.
what everyone needs.
So, like, I started coming into my marketing field,
Hmm.
meeting the people. I started understanding them.
Hmm.
So, I studied much in my field, which I
Hmm.
meeting to the people,
Hmm.
having a conversation about it.
Hmm.
So, I reached to the things. I made very easy. So,
Okay.
yeah, there was a lot of stress for me as well. It's not I struggled a lot during my starting days and all. After very soon, I got achievements.
So finally, you are all
Yeah,
okay
yeah,
now.
Alhamdulillah, I'm okay for that. Yes.
So you know, everyone has a surprising quality in it, like in them basically.
Exactly.
So the point is, I'm very talkative. I speak.
Okay. Okay.
So the question is like, what is a surprising factor in you, so that it will attract others?
First thing that I'm very friendly to them. Very
Mhm.
soon I'll get friendly to them.
Mhm.
So second is they'll trust me a lot. Like this is what
Okay.
I want to keep ever.
Mhm.
Trust bonding them
Mhm.
in a very friendly nature.
Mhm.
So I don't like do myself attitude nature.
Hmm.
So I'll be very flexible to everyone, one and all.
You're free with mind to others,
Exactly.
respecting and a lot of stuff, right?
Exactly.
You're telling me regarding
First
the
thing, I'll
trust.
respect the people which is among me.
Hmm.
So basically, then they'll trust me a lot.
Hmm.
This is what I found
Hmm.
in the market here in Dubai.
Hmm.
So I want to be remain same thing. I
Yeah.
don't want to be in my attitude nature. I never wants to be changed myself.
Okay.
So this nature makes bonding between the people,
Hmm.
and I have lot of communication with the very great people here.
Mhm.
So Alhamdulillah, in this amount, I achieved lot of things from UAE.
Nice. Like
Yeah.
the point is, everyone who has visited Dubai, so the only sentence I hear a lot is, Dubai teaches you a lot.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So everyone has their own story,
Exactly.
isn't it?
Is
Even
it's
you
true.
have your
It's
own
true.
story.
It's true.
But end of the day, Dubai teaches you and it builds you.
Exactly.
So that's a very unique quality, you know.
Yeah.
So because there are a lot of nationalities here, still we can see the unity.
Exactly.
The way we are
Yeah.
living here, it's
Yes.
very
It's
nice,
all
right?
among different kind of people.
Yeah. And the growth is like huge.
Huge.
Like we are seeing it
Yes.
every day. Every
Yes.
day a new construction is happening right over in Dubai, like in a lot of places.
Exactly.
Things are like that. And so trust. So you said trust.
Yes.
Trust is the main stuff.
Main stuff.
So yeah. So in this current generation, like whatever you're dealing with, trust is the main source.
Exactly.
From there, everything starts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's great, man. And in which company are you working in?
Right now, currently, I'm working here in Al Farhat Immigration LLC in Dubai.
Okay.
So currently, basically, I'm working there
Okay.
as a sales director,
Mhm.
so operations. I'm maintaining all the company.
Okay. So what will be the services like? What are the services in your company?
See, we do the worldwide visa services with the migration, immigration part like work permits
Mm-hmm.
and visit visa. Basically, we focus on the visit visas for the US, UK, Schengen countries, which is making very difficult in the market nowadays to get the appointments. It's up to the embassy. Like,
Yeah.
but what is the main basic possibilities that we are making? The profiling for the clients who is coming to us,
Mm-hmm.
reaching to us to make them very easiest to the documentation.
Mm-hmm.
We are helping out them to
Mhm.
come out from all that difficulties what they are facing now.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, we're supporting them to just reach their levels. Like,
Nice.
yeah,
So basically, you're into this immigration and a lot of stuff, right?
Yes.
Like, do you have any company placement, like company regarding works? Like, for example, let's say I'm starting a company.
Yes.
So, in which direction you guys will be helping me, and what I need to present to you so that the things will get aligned.
See, we also can help you for the like starting initially states what
Mhm.
you start up for a company like making a license.
Mm-hmm.
So then you'll set up for your company office, then
Mhm.
staff. Even we can provide you the manpower staffs.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, we can one and all we can support because we are working to the group of companies which I
Yeah.
told you the sector. Even
Yeah.
we are working for the legal sectors as well.
Okay.
So whatever the basic parts of your company, we can do help you out
Okay.
in the freelance visas
Mhm.
or any problem you have stuck here in Dubai for
Mhm.
the like labor
Mhm.
quota renewal.
Mm-hmm.
So we can basically help for all these sectors as well.
Okay. So your works are completely related to the government.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Related to the government.
So it's a huge thing, right?
Exactly.
Connecting to government and working.
Yeah, for all the PRO services also, we can just help you out very easy way.
Nice,
Ah,
nice,
yes.
nice. That's a good thing, ma'am. Like works regarding the government, the point is every day new rules are coming in.
Coming up.
Okay, so you need to be aware of that.
Exactly.
Like uh, how evenly you are connecting to the government updates, like every day or how?
Every day also we'll get the
Hmm.
new updates,
Updates.
like whatever the updates coming on the visas, will be on upgrading that. So
Okay.
also for the other sectors as well, many things like in the license there are something, many things have got been changed. So
Okay.
also we'll be getting all the updates on that.
So immediately you need to apply in your
On the
business
status,
strategies, right?
exactly. We have to inform to like on the status
Mm-hmm.
for the social media networks and all that.
Okay, I think everything is going good. Like,
Yeah, alhamdulillah. It's
did
going
you
to be
experience any challenge in your journey in this current job?
Exactly. I want to like tell you about that thing first
Mm-hmm.
because in this field, people are facing many difficulties. Like
Mm-hmm.
they are not getting visas,
Mm-hmm.
they are just cancellation. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
all these kind of things, I want to support them. Like
Mm-hmm.
so, we have that possibility things that we can support it up. Like
Okay.
how the way, what the way, in
Mm-hmm.
manner of that we can do it up. We can manage all these things.
Okay.
So basically, in this thing, I want to support them. So this is the main challenge of me
Yeah,
in this
that's what.
part of migration. In the
Mm-hmm.
completely entire sector, I have selected the migration. The reason is this,
Okay.
and I want to take a challenge of that.
Amazing, man. So, what is your dream job? Are you currently doing it?
Yeah, this is my dream
This
job
is your
actually.
dream job.
Yes, exactly.
So, this is your dream job, and you are fulfilling the dreams of all the candidates,
Exactly.
right? That's a very
Travel,
good step.
even I do want to travel for US, UK, Canada, Schengen
Mm-hmm.
countries and all because first I want to feel the people who are
Mm-hmm.
about to reach. First, I
Mm-hmm.
want to feel their dreams. Then, exactly, when I just want to visit,
Mm.
but I want to be here in UAE.
Okay.
I love this is my starting journey of UAE. So,
Mm-hmm.
I just want to visit for the other because that is only for the explore of my business.
Okay.
That's it. But
Okay.
basically, I want to be here in UAE.
Okay.
As yeah,
So, how deeper you have connected to Dubai?
it's I can
So,
say
you are from India. You have said you are
exactly.
from Karnataka.
Exactly.
Okay. So now you're completely connected to Dubai.
Exactly.
Okay. This is your second home.
Exactly. Exactly.
So, what things dragged you?
See, here when I came, I faced many difficulties. Then after I reached to all one and all my goals, like
Mm-hmm.
I made a passion, like I want to
Mhm.
be in
Mhm.
this kind of sector.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a jolly life. Like this industry is travel and tourism.
Mm.
So I can explore many things in this field actually.
That's
So
great.
with loyalty and honesty, I want to be in the like exploring myself to the people who wants they are struggling like
Yeah, yeah.
in many kind of ways. You can know that in market
Mhm.
they are suffering due to these visas and all.
Mhm.
So I want to help them out. So
Okay.
this I made myself passion to this field
Amazing, ma'am. Like
migration.
your passion saves a candidate.
Exactly.
You know the
With
way you
my
are doing it.
trust,
Yeah.
the loyalty.
Mm-hmm.
However, honestly, I want to work in this field actually.
Mm-hmm.
So I made this a
Mm.
passion of my life.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a dream, like I
I'm
can
wishing
say.
for
I
it.
want to
Yeah.
success in this dream.
Yeah, yeah, I wish for
Yes.
that too.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's great, ma'am. And what else? Like, what are your upcoming plans regarding the company or your life? Like, what's happening?
See, life is a part of different, and company is a part of different.
Yeah, you can explain me in two ways.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, like, in company journey is different, life journey is different, and I'm mixing both and enjoying myself. First part, I can say.
You're just happily living.
I'm happily. I'm
Yeah,
happy.
that's a
I'm
great
peace
thing.
and calm.
That is a
Like,
blessing.
yeah.
I can say
Because
that.
I didn't made a difficulty things that I can face any problems in myself
Mhm.
that clash to my life as well.
Mhm.
So I'm very peaceful to work and as if my life.
Amazing, amazing.
Yes.
So yes, ma'am. Like, what will be your message for the young audience? Like, regarding your work, it is related to the immigration and a lot of stuff, right? What will be your message to the young audience who are coming to Dubai for their future career? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can just give some message to our people.
See, like for all the guys who wants to visit to the UAE here, they have to be in their patience first, trust, loyalty,
Mm-hmm.
hope they self,
Mm-hmm.
and they have to be like strong way, in if I can say.
Yeah.
Because here there are many kind of nationalities. They have to be very flexible to one and all.
Yeah.
They have to be very friendly and loyal to them.
Yeah.
So it makes very easy and helpful, like to
Mhm.
move on.
So once
So I
we
can say they
open up,
should be very peaceful here, very
Mhm.
calmful. With the patience, they have to be here.
Yeah.
So this takes and make them success. It's very
Yeah.
easy.
So you need to be very open
Exactly.
in each and every stuff,
Exactly.
and you need to just enjoy,
Exactly.
and you need to have patience.
Patience.
So then you
This
can
is the
succeed.
this is the matter first.
Yes, man.
Yes.
That's a very nice message, man.
Yes.
And yes, thank you so much for being a part of this show.
Welcome.
Okay.
Thank you so
like-
much for giving me an opportunity to be here.
It's okay, ma'am. It's okay.
Thank
We are
you.
happy to have you here. And yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries regarding the immigration, a lot of things, so you can comment down below, and we'll respond to it. And yes, do follow Emirates One.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much, and do follow for the Emirates One here. Thank you so much.